Bambi's nice. Good morning. Good morning. Ooh, ooh, it's very, very, very soft though. Like the sand, it's very soft. Yeah, probably gonna get a weird tan line though from my bag being on my shoulder. So there's vendors here that won't leave anybody alone. Like they're touching my aunt and my stepmom. That's something that we learned also. Do you see him or her? Yeah. They're literally everywhere and they bother you like every 5 seconds, which is the thing that stinks about being at the beach. That's why we're probably not going to be at the beach that long, because there's so many of them and they just keep bothering you no matter what. So, fun fact about Colombia, if you go to the beach, be prepared to deal with all the vendors. There's like so many of them. So, I was taking a Snapchat, by the way. That lady right there was trying to get me to buy stuff. I don't even know what she was saying. Anyways, I stopped to take a Snapchat and my family left me. And they're like way far down the beach right now. Look at how cute the two of them are. Well, they're not being cute right now. They were like kissing.
Oh. Yeah?
Well, now you see their butts. Now you come over here. You go over here and I'll go over here. Are they, you guys are not. No! They don't.
They're not photogenic.
I know.
I got some good let me get them.
What are they doing?
I don't know. Here.
So the guy at the hotel said that the parrot would go on my arm, and I was like, oh, okay. So I went to go and try and put him on my arm, and well, that failed. He didn't go on my arm, and he bit me like 3 times. Ow! You jerk!
He bites you.
He already bit me, but it doesn't hurt. So I was like, well, why don't you come here and put him on your arm? And he was like, I don't want to try it. But then I finally got him to come over, and so yeah, the parrot just bit me a lot.
He's not in the mood today, I guess. Okay, that's enough of that.
I tried. But now I'm trying to find the claw. Can't find him. Probably just walking around. I'm so not funny.
Oh.
He's a flexible thing.
He hadn't let go completely yet.
Look at him. Oh, gosh.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, wait, no, that's his head.
Yeah, it's hard to tell which is his butt and which is his head.
Ooh,
Oh,
there he goes.
Now.
Well, we are at the Plaza de Santo Domingo, and there's a bunch of like pretty like rainbow houses. It kind of reminds me of Puerto Rico. And then behind us there's the fort that is San Felipe. And so yeah, we're just gonna walk around for a while and then we're gonna get food. hear that? I have no idea what it is. It might be a frog, but do you hear all of that? That's so, I don't know, I feel like I'm an avatar. It'd be so cool if a hotel like made an avatar like thing, like where all the lights were, like, you know how in Avatar like everything lights up and stuff like that, but it's like dark and stuff? I think a hotel should do that. I would totally go there. So a fun fact about me, I get the hiccups all the time, and just as I was about to film just as I was about to film this, I got the hiccups. But I'm on my way back up to the hotel room and I wanted to film this. I'm on my way up to the hotel room and I wanted to film this, oh my gosh, before I got back upstairs. Gosh, I'm losing my train of thought. Thanks for watching, and if you want to see more of my Colombia videos or any travel videos, because I'm probably going to be traveling, if I could talk, if it's not the hiccups, it's me not being able to talk. If you want to see more travel videos, make sure to subscribe, because I travel all the time. Well, not all the time, but like more often than the average person, I guess you could say. I'm going to Washington in February, so if you want to see those, make sure to subscribe. And if you enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, and yeah.